AI-powered RevOps, where the learning never stops. Hosted by Sandy Robinson, she's leveling up your ops. From data to deals, she reveals how AI really pops. Real talk, real playbooks, no fluff, just jaw drop. So plug in, turn it up, let the insights flow. You're tuned to AI-powered RevOps, now let's start the show.
AI-powered RevOps is where real talk meets real-world execution in an AI-powered world. I'm your host, Sandy Robinson, and on the show, I sit down with operators, enablement leaders, GTM owners, and vendors to unpack what's actually working and what isn't when it comes to building an AI-powered revenue engine without losing your mind in the process. On this show, you'll hear how teams are really using AI in RevOps and enablement. Experiments, playbooks, and messy lessons learned along the way. How we tackle alignment, change management, and leadership in the middle of constant change. Success stories, major flops, and unapologetic hot takes. Deep dives on tools, workflows from practitioners, vendors, and operators that are in the trenches. At the end of every episode, I'll wrap with 5 rapid-fire questions pulled from what everyone is asking in AI in RevOps right now. There's no BS and no scripts, well, other than this trailer, just candid conversations designed to leave you with ideas you can try tomorrow, solutions to nagging problems, insights on tools and guidance and how to keep your revenue engine and your sanity running. Expect a few laughs, plenty of honesty, and seriously actionable ideas. I've spent over 20 years leading revenue operations and enablement in SaaS and other industries, in small startups, growing scale-ups, and mature or even public companies, from building sales operations foundations and leading cross-functional GTM teams to designing revenue engines built for scale and aligning marketing, sales, and customer success around the full customer journey. My focus has always been on turning messy, real-world challenges into practical playbooks, empowering teams through training and change management, and challenging the status quo when it gets in the way of growth. A few years ago, I completed my master's degree in education and training and development. I wanted to do this podcast because I'm in student mode, and I wanted to share my learnings with others. I've always had a passion for continuous learning, and now that focus is on AI in RevOps. If you're ready for practical tips, a few laughs, and a steady stream of actionable ideas, hit follow on AI-powered RevOps and queue up the first episode. AI-powered RevOps is a Sandy Elevates production. Copyright 2025 Sandy Elevates. All rights reserved.